Alright guys, so this will be a comparison between the Otter Creek Labs Polonium 5.56mm and not having one on a brand new Ruger American 5.56 Ranch model. Show you the difference in sound. Silencer installed, first shot through the silencer. Wow, that's nicer. I'm going to just do this one with no earplugs so I can see what that can sound like. That's nice though. I really like that gun. Let's do one no brake for fun, and then we'll put a brake on. And now let's put on the silencer. 55 grain FMJs, shooting paper target. Oh, sounds so good.